In oil and gas operations and laboratory work, fluid rheology is critical to performance and safety. Yet viscosity measurement still relies on manual work and operator experience, limiting efficiency and consistency as fluid systems become more complex. Even with rotational viscometers that support automated measurement and data storage, cleaning still requires manual handling, limiting continuous testing and overall frequency. The Vertex REALologyFAST Intelligent Rotational Viscometer provides a new solution for laboratory viscosity measurement. As an API-compliant benchtop laboratory device, REALologyFAST is built on a rotational measurement principle and integrates heating and temperature control, delivering accuracy up to plus or minus 0.3% full scale. Suitable for drilling and fracturing fluids, including water-based, oil-based, slick water, and GAR systems. REALologyFAST enables one-click operation. Once the sample is loaded, it automatically completes testing, cleaning, and data recording. By standardizing the workflow, it reduces manual work, improves consistency, cuts cleaning and waiting time by around 70%, and increases testing frequency and reliability. At the same time, data can be integrated into existing systems or stored in the cloud for centralized management, enabling trend analysis and comparison, and providing actionable insights to support decision-making and optimize testing and fluid design. REALologyFAST has now been applied to laboratory testing and analysis, supporting more than 140 wells. From manual operation and experience-based judgment to automated measurement and data-driven workflows, REALologyFAST brings greater stability, efficiency, and consistency to rheology measurement.